Today I hope to explain you how to hidden file folder and how to unhidden file folder. First I explain you how to create new file folder. Mouse right button click, new folder. Okay, this our new file folder. Mouse right button click, properties, hidden, apply, okay. Our file folder is hidden. Okay, I explain you again. Mouse right button click, properties, hidden, apply, okay. Our file folder is hidden. Okay, now I explain you how to unhidden file folder. First, you can open File Explorer. After you can go to View and Show and Hidden Items. Close. This file folder is our hidden file folder. Now we can open this file folder. Properties, hidden, apply, okay. Our file folder is unhidden. I explain you again. Mouse right button click, properties, unmark hidden, apply, okay. Our file folder is unhidden. Okay, my dear friends, I think you can understand this video and try to unhidden file folder and hidden file folder and comment my video. Goodbye.